Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I make my healthy zobo. So we'll be using pineapple peel and lime peel, and I'm going to be boiling this first. Then I would add in cloves, and I'm boiling this first because I want it to release its full flavor. So that's why I am not adding the zobo leaves immediately. So at this point I'm going to be adding the zobo leaves, and so I'm just going to mix so that I can just get everything well incorporated. Here I have ginger. Yes, this is ginger paste, so I'm going to be adding this. Next, this is date paste, which I'm going to be adding in, and this is pineapple paste too, which I am going to add into. So I'm just going to stir this, and when I'm done stirring it, I'm going to allow this to boil for 5-10 minutes. I really don't, there's no so much time limit. So at this point it's I think at this point it's okay. I think I boiled mine for 5 to 10 minutes, nothing too long. I don't like to keep mine too long. So now I'm just going to sieve it so that I can take out the chaff. So I would do this, and I would use this sieve, and I would squeeze. So right now the zobo is ready, and you see it's very easy and simple to make. And I just want to say thank you for watching, and thanks to my subscriber. And if you have not subscribed, my name is Kay, and I post relatable food content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.